How to control the mature content in your Roblox account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually control the amount of mature content in your Roblox account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once the application opens up you will see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, simply click on this more button at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be landed onto this particular page. Now in this particular page, simply scroll down towards the bottom and click onto the settings button. Now under settings, you can see this third option that says privacy and content restrictions. So simply click onto this privacy and content restrictions and it will open a new page. Now in this page you will need to click onto this content maturity page. So simply click onto this content maturity option and from here you have the slider. So this lets you allow to choose a content maturity level for your account. This control which experiences you can join. So currently it is set to moderate. If you will turn it to restricted, then it may contain strong violence, heavy realistic blood, moderate crude humor, romantic themes, and unplayable gambling content and strong language as well. So if you are setting this up for your small child or let's say a young child, it is suggested that you keep it at minimal, and apart from that, if you want some mild level of mature content, you can choose it to mild, moderate, or even restricted if you want. But if you will choose it to restricted, you will need to verify your age, as only adults aged 17 or above have access to restricted experience. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.